Hello students, how are you? Dear student, in chapter 4 carbon and its compound, today we discuss some additional portion of this chapter because many more content are complete before midterm exam and like that saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon, general information of carbon, characteristics of carbon, functional group, homologous series, and types of hydrocarbon, aliphatic, aromatic, and also discuss the types of aliphatic hydrocarbon, alkane, alkene, and alkyne, and also the naming rules and identification, chemical formula. That means many more parts are completed to this chapter and some remaining portion. So in this remaining portion, today we discuss isomer and isomerism. So if you see, if any types of chemical formula, for example, butane. So butane, the chemical formula is C4H10. And this types of chemical formula, if we represent with the help of expanded, so CS3, CS2, CS2, and CS3. A single types of state chain. Otherwise, if any types of carbon to change the place in upper or lower part, that means in part of a branch. So the content of carbon and hydrogen both are equal. That means CS3, CS2, CS2, CS3. Total carbon numbers 4 and hydrogen 10. Otherwise, CS3 single bond CS2 in upper side again single bond CS2 and front side again single bond CS3. Otherwise, CS3 single bond CS2 downside again single bond CS3 and CS3. So any types of cases, the numbers of carbon and numbers of hydrogen are equal. Means C4S10, C4S10. So the definition means if any types of chemical formula, the constituent particles value are similar in every part, every places. But the structural structure are differ. Means structural formula are differ. So this is called isomer, and this phenomena are called isomerism. Means during the study of organic compound, we come across many compounds which have different properties but same molecular formula. So the difference in properties of this compound arise due to the different arrangement of atom in their molecules. Such compound which have same molecular formula but different structural formula, so are known, it is called isomer, and the phenomena are called isomerism. And the types of isomerism in class 10th standard, number 1, chain isomerism. So the chain isomerism, the isomerism in which the isomer differ from each other due to the presence of different carbon chain skeleton in is known as chain isomerism. Means in any types of hydrocarbon, carbon and carbon are combined with the help of single bond and it's represent a state line. So this is called chain isomerism. So the isomer in which the, again we repeat the definition, the isomer in which the isomer differ from each other due to the presence of different carbon chain skeleton as known as chain isomerism. So some types of example, for example methane CH4. So the carbon value 1 and hydrogen 4, means C is a central atom and four types of or four numbers of hydrogen are covered to the carbon. Suppose ethane C2H6, means carbon and carbon are combined to single bond and other three bond covered by hydrogen. So total 2 carbon and both carbon are combined to single bond and other three bond are combined with the help of 3 hydrogen. So first carbon 3 hydrogen and second carbon again 3 hydrogen. So total carbon value 2 and hydrogen value 6, or hydrogen number 6 and carbon number 2. Suppose propane C3H8, that is the chemical formula. So every carbon are combined to single bond, means C single bond C single bond C, and this 3 carbon atom are combined to each other, and every carbon atom required to first and last 3 and middle 2 requirement. So 3 carbon first carbon required 3 hydrogen and last carbon required 3 hydrogen. So 6 and middle carbon required 2 hydrogen to fulfill the tetravalency. So the total numbers of hydrogen is 8, 3 and 2. So 6 and 2 8. So this is called chain isomer. So no, and especially the importance, no chain isomerism is possible up to propane. Okay, so this is the first types of isomer. Again I repeat the definition: if any types of chemical formula similar but the structural formula are differ, it is called isomer, and this phenomena are called isomerism. And next video we discuss some other types of isomer. Okay, thank you.